So I'm going to do a video that I've seen several different versions of. I'm trying to get my hair back to a normal color. I used Splat in the summertime. We're now into November, and it was lovely, bright, dark purple, and then I did a little bit of a blue mix over top of it, and so I had a dark color, and I had hoped it would sort of wash itself out as it says it will, but as you can see, my roots are really badly coming in now, my dark roots that look darker than ever, and I've got white at the ends, halfway up, and just streaks, which, you know, is just not okay. So there are lots of different recipes that I've seen, but I actually Googled Splat and did a search on removal of Splat in particular, and Splat's website has some suggestions of their own. So you've probably heard not to use the color removers on Splat because of the staining that can go on, and the fact that they're made for the permanent hair dyes that you get in the boxes or that you make or whatever, but for just regular permanent hair dye, not Splat style hair dye. So the suggestions that Splat had is to do the clarifying shampoo, baking soda, and vitamin C. And so I'm sure that you've seen those on other videos as well, just like I have. There are variations on the recipes. Some substitute the clarifying shampoo for Dawn, and others have that mixture plus a developer. Volume 10 is the one that seems to be the one that they recommend the most. But I'm gonna do what the Splat's basic recipe is. So what they suggest to do is to mix equal parts of baking soda and clarifying shampoo and put it on the parts of your hair that you want the color removed. And once it's on, crush up your vitamin C tablets and then put that in somehow and leave it for processing. It does not give a time, so I'm going to do half an hour. Now at the end of the they're in directions. They say that for very bright colors, you may need to follow up with a bleach wash, which is different than bleaching, but it does involve bleach. But I will give you their recipe for that, whether or not I have to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my mixture concoction and get it on my hair, and we'll check back once that's all in.